What's up guys? I'm here in Yangon in Myanmar, and this vlog today is going to be me basically walking around this city, walking the streets of Yangon for the next 4 or 5 hours, and I'm vlogging it basically. And so I've been here in Yangon, Myanmar for 2 days now. I've showed you some first impressions in the other vlog that I did when I first arrived here, but it's definitely a culture shock. It's definitely very, very different to any other country or city that I've been to. There's smells and sights and things that I've never seen anywhere else. In ways it's quite comparable to India in a sense. There's a lot of cultural, like, weird smells and just different fashion and different foods and just, yeah, sights. And it's a bit of a culture shock like India. At the same time, it's the complete opposite of India, because the locals don't bother you. The locals will never hassle you. They'll give you fair prices. I'm not saying Indian people are scammers, that's not true, but I just feel completely safe, at peace. And I guess that's because of the religion. Apparently they believe strongly in karma here, so they don't like to rip off tourists. They like to treat people as they would like to be treated. That's what I've been told. It's definitely a fascinating experience so far in Yangon. It's very raw, gritty, very Asian, and it's just real travel. I like it, and I can see why so many backpackers come here to Burma. Check around me right now. Quite raw, right? Pretty raw, pretty gritty. So yeah, as I say, on this scorching red hot 35 Celsius afternoon, I'm going to walk around Yangon and try and show you just as much of the city as I can. Quite a lot of traffic there behind me. Traffic here is actually quite quiet. Surprisingly, I expected traffic here to be like Delhi and Bangkok. Actually, Yangon's got a really peaceful, relaxed feel to it. But anyway, I'm going to take you around the city right now. Let's do this. Burger, meal.
Chicken burger?
Yeah.
Originally spicy.
Ordinary, please.
Originally single or set?
Set.
Set. 2 drink Pepsi or 7?
Pepsi, please.
Pepsi in here?
Yes, please.
Waiting 7 minutes.
Okay, yeah.
Chicken burger, water. Pepsi.
Yeah.
Pepsi 1 potato and chicken burger 1. 4,400.
Okay, thank you.
No 100.
No, sir. What?
My name is Itreal.
Ah, okay. Nice. Cool. Those kids were super cute there, and they were fascinated by my presence. Just in this fast food place, Lotteria, in a chicken burger, 4,500 kayak, so pretty cheap. Yeah, man. Let's unravel the burger. They never had fast food here. Maybe 4 years ago there was absolutely no Western influence in Myanmar. Slowly but surely they're getting a little bit of Western influence. Man, it looks alright. Fucking, they do this weird thing in Burma where they put little stickers on the receipts, which is like commercial tax. So on every receipt they put like a tax sticker on. I've never seen that before in any country. That's kind of interesting. Super nice bit of fast food there. Now 2, 3, 4 years ago there was no fast food here in Myanmar, so that's something that's changed recently with the growth of tourism. Like I say, they never used to have any. I mean, they actually have no McDonald's here, but they have KFC and different Western fast food, but that wasn't here 3 or 4 years ago. So as you can see from that, the Western influence is slowly starting to creep into Burma. That's due to tourism and gets borders and more business coming into Myanmar from outside, more corporations. Samsung have got a big presence here, and I guess there comes the Western fast food comes with that. And now I'm going to get some clips for you of this fascinating area. And so I've been walking around so far for like maybe 90 minutes and I've not been hassled once to buy anything. Nothing at all. It's absolutely wonderful. Like if you go to, I don't know, I came from Thailand, as you can see from previous vlogs, or you go to somewhere like, I don't know, most Asian countries, if a white guy walking through the streets, they're going to try and get him to buy stuff or get in a taxi or tuk-tuk or whatever. Here in Burma, it doesn't happen. The locals are so unbelievably nice, and I'm not just saying that to get likes on the vlog. The locals here are superbly nice. It is fantastic. The part down there that I just showed you is as raw and as gritty as you'll get in Asia. I really like it. Right, so I'm just walking up now to the main temple in Yangon, one of the most beautiful temples in the world. And I'm going to take you for a walk around the area because there's so much cool stuff around the area, like cool sites, cool street vendors, just cool stuff. Alright guys, so I was going to show you that temple there, the beautiful temple in the middle of Yangon, but I'm wearing shorts and I'm going to go on a temple tour in the next couple of days. I'm going to vlog all that and show it you in that vlog instead. Now I'm just going to go and walk around. There's a park near here. I'm going to go and check out the park, going to see what else I can see walking around Yangon at daytime. It's a great place, man. I'm really liking Yangon as a city, and the locals are great, and I'm having a good time, and that's all that really counts. Alright guys, check out this place. This is a beautiful park. Lots of like palm trees and just beautiful greenery. And then you have this thing in the middle, which I'm not too sure what it is. Of course, it's to do with the main religion here in Burma, which is 85% or around that number Buddhist. Very, very cool to have that in the middle of the park. I'm going to take a nice little walk around. The sun's going down and it's a beautiful park. What a beautiful little park here in the bang in the middle of Yangon. Great place to come and chill out. So crossing the road here in Yangon is not easy. Here we go. Just lurching out in front of cars here. Uh-oh, I think they're gonna go soon. Follow the locals. There's not many traffic lights here. It's a bit of a problem for crossing. I'm just stood here in the middle of the road. Alright, let's go. Ooh. You almost got run over. Alright, pretty easy. But yeah, there we go. The roads here are not the best to cross because there's very little traffic light infrastructure, so often you're chancing it. Guys, so those clips are of this little neighborhood behind me. Very gritty, probably the grittiest part of Myanmar that I've seen so far. Pretty interesting, pretty cool place. I'm now in the People's Park here, which is like, well, the People's Park, and there's the main temple behind me. Sun's going down. It's quite nice. There's kids around here playing football or soccer for the Americans, and just doing all kinds of different stuff. So really cool to walk around Yangon today. I hope, well, the goal of the vlog was to convey just how untouched and authentic this city is, even though I went to some fast food. It is very, very untouched. There is like a, you know, obviously some more of a Western influence starting to come in now. There's a Burger King down there, you know, that sort of stuff, but it's still very, very much untouched. So yeah, man, thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, of course. And yeah, more to come here from Yangon, more to come from Burma, and more to come from the world. Peace out.